Sorry, John, if your car gets dented. Not much I can do about it. At least I didn't prang it. Far out. There hit my feet. That is coming down big time. Oh, they are freezing.
Oh my God! Your car is going to be dented, honey.
It's bloody hit my feet, I tell you.
That is freaking crazy shit. I think it's starting to subside a bit.
Oh, I'm gonna get in.
That,
Front door.
hey, honey. Look,
Yeah.
you can let me in.
Alright, bye-bye.